Well, today might be the day that we leave. Maybe. Hopefully. We're ready to get out of here.
Ready since we got here.
Yeah.
We'd like to blame it on waiting for Emily, but
Wait, what?
unfortunately, she's been waiting too.
Oh, it's been so hot and so still. We have a few things to do today. Hopefully we can get them all done and get checked out and get out of here. Well, here it is. Our new dinghy all put together in the water. She floats, she rows, and I think we're pretty happy with it. Made the decision we're gonna use this new one and leave poor old Arjuna behind here. We're pretty sad to leave her behind. She's a good dinghy, but I think overall this one much better built. Obviously used much better materials, better condition. Things look like they're together much better. Still needs a bit of repairs, but I think overall structurally it's probably better than Arjuna. So sadly, Arjuna's gonna live in Chiapas from now on and not with us on Varuna.
Oh, it's like way later.
We were sad to say goodbye to Arjuna, but we had a feeling she would be well used and appreciated. We gave her to the maintenance and security staff at the marina, who were very excited. They told us that she needed más fibra, or more fiberglass, just like all of the locals back in Puerto San Carlos had wanted, to make her into a true little panga.
We're going to head out of here today. It's very warm.
Very warm.
Going to be happy to get out of this well-protected marina back to where there's some fresh air flowing around and some clean water to swim in.
For sure, that will be very nice.
One of us has to get in the water here in the marina, which is pretty gross. We've got a plastic bag around our propeller that the guys that were cleaning the bottom kept around it to keep some of the growth off. If that works or not, I don't know.
They think it works. We'll find out, I guess.
It probably does slow the growth down, but I don't see how it would stop it.
So you're excited to go? You're just going to go for a little refreshing swim?
In and out as quick as I can, I hope. It looks kind of dirty. I don't remember when you last cleaned it. All right. That's pretty gross.
What the heck is that?
This is the plastic bag that was around the prop. It's nuts. It's like an entire...
What is it?
I don't know. Are they all like mussels or what? It was a plastic bag. Oh, what the hell? A little crabby!
That's a crab.
Get out of here, crab! God, Hillary likes crabs too. We're gonna go do our checkout procedures now. That's gonna be like, we don't know. It'll probably be a customs, a port captain.
There's customs, there's immigration, there's the port captain, and then I think maybe the office called Applepie, which is kind of like the port fees type one. So I think 4 offices in total.
They're all in separate places here, and luckily the guys from the marina will probably drive us around there. So that'll be very helpful.
We'll be good.
Right now, time to go to the office and get the air conditioning. Later, Mexico. Yeah.
After preparing our documents in the office, Memo, the manager, took us in his car to the various government offices. First up was the SAT Aduana, or Customs office. While we waited, Memo told us about the local Chiquita banana export operation here.
Temperature.
Yeah.
And then they take it and put it in the, they fill the containers and they bring it to the port and they are connected there.
Huh.
And they leave it.
And they lift them up and put them on the
and every week the boat coming and pick up all the full ones and they left empty ones.
Our Our next office, located in the cruise and commercial port area, was the Applepie office to pay our port fees. After a quick stop at immigration to stamp our passports, it was off to our last stop, the port captain.
That's cool.
Last
They're building a new thingy.
We had a long wait here while they prepared several official documents, most important of which was our Zarpe, which is an official departure document that the next port and country we visit will need in order to check us in. Well, we are all officially checked out. We've left Mexico officially, even though we haven't actually left. Lots of paperwork, lots of waiting. And then everyone came out to the boat and did an inspection of the boat.
Light inspection.
Which wasn't much, but they do have a cute dog that they bring out, and he gets on the boat and sniffs around a little bit. So we're all ready to go, except for our computer. Our charting computer is not coming on. I was on it all day yesterday, updating it, getting our charts ready, and now today it's not working. So hopefully we can get out of here before dark. They're kind of anxious to get us off the dock. Technically, once we have our inspection, we're supposed to leave within 15-20 minutes. And it's been more than that, but the boat is all cleaned up. Everything's put away. Got the new dinghy up on deck there. Put some new seizing wire on our anchor shackles. Washed down the boat. Ready to get going again. It's official. We untied from the dock and we are out of here. Right as the sun is setting.
Who the hell's driving the boat?
Capitanía de Puerto, soy Valero Varuna. Cambia.
Ok, Varuna, esta es la capitanía de Puerto Chiapas, adelante.
Hola, buenas tardes. Salimos de Marina Chiapas. Salimos para el canal. ¿Está libre?
Afirmativo, el canal está libre, no hay problema, pueden navegar tranquilamente acá.
Ok, muchas gracias de todos. Hasta luego y buenas noches.
Ok, buen viaje, hasta luego, buena suerte y pendiente a la próxima.
Getting this expert steering technique you got going on.
That's how I always steer. You never know. This is how I steer when you're anchoring, so I can actually still see and talk to you.
As we pulled out of the harbor and said goodbye to Mexico yet again, we were so excited to be back out on the water. Our adventures, or misadventures, of the last few months and the bigger boat chapter had been quite stressful for us, and getting back out on the water was just what we needed.
So you should tell us about yourself.
That's a very open-ended question.
This is... So I'll just make stuff up. This is our local Welsh person that we found.
I'm Emily and I am from England. I am from England, not Wales.
True, but you're where are you from? And you're close to the border.
Gloucestershire, which is on the border.
And you've been travelling for how long?
About 2.5 years. Yeah, about 2.5 years.
Like where? List off all the places you've kind of hit, I guess, on your travels.
That's a very long list. Australia and Southeast Asia. It's kind of like a group, and then I've headed over more in this direction this year. So started in Canada, doing a ski season at the start of the year, and then Brazil and Mexico now. So although now we're in the middle of nowhere.
What are you doing here? Besides nothing.
Attempting to sail? No. I don't really
kinda
know.
true.
What am I doing here?
I don't know. We don't know what we're doing here, so
Floating around on the
Wait, we're all in the
big
same
blue
boat.
Ocean. Oh my god, we're all in the same boat.
Finally, away from land and back in the big blue ocean, all felt right. We were excited to have Emily on board as crew, as we had been planning on having her join us back before we started the whole detour of looking for a bigger boat.
So are you the dish person? You like doing dishes?
Yeah, I guess.
With very light winds, we jumped in to cool off in the crystal clear water and give the boat a bit of a better scrub than Ty was able to do in the murky marina water the day before.
So we're almost under 24 hours, right, since we left, I guess, because it's probably close to that time. And we've done, I don't know how many miles we've done. We did 40 earlier today, right? We had 40? No, that was too much. Oh no, that sounds about right.
No, that was, yeah.
Okay, I was like, wait, 40 doesn't sound like much at all, so I hope we did 40.
As we sailed into the sunset, we were happy to be back on our original course, southbound towards Central America. Thanks so much for watching, and a huge thanks to our Patreon Adrift crew, who make these videos possible. Until next time, adios!
Who are you and where are you from? I'll be all. Who are you and where are you from?
I demand to know.
we like the Mexican military guys.
They're
Believe
nicer
now.
than that, though.
They are very nice. I just thought of a really good question. I was like, that's a really dumb question. I was like, where did Emily come from?
I was floating out at sea.
on some of
Picked her
the
up on the way.
some of the local rubbish.